things which are there in your mindset, which you need to come out of it as it of possible. Might be something, I'm not talking about the addictions, but I may be talking about some of those bad habits which you may not be aware, right? And that you need to again tap somewhere and then to eliminate those. Now, what are those things which we have learned? Let me tell you, my dear friends. India has come out with this particular COVID-19. COVID-19, when it occurred in India, now what I'm trying to show as it of like transformation of India through this COVID-19 differently. Now let me share with you the glimpse of this particular COVID-19. COVID-19, the name was given later on. Initially, which you might be also remembering, 2019, December, somewhere in the middle of the December, we started hearing something about corona, right? And then we used to start talking like, go corona, go corona, go corona, go. Right? But the corona has not yet gone, my dear friends. We went on doing lots of things. Hats off to that. Again, the leadership has played it differently. You have to play that leadership differently. That is what I'm trying to say here. How I'm correlating this, that also you will be able to understand. Okay. So the lessons of that, again, the eliminations. First, overconfident. We all of us were overconfident. We all of us were feeling like, oh, that corona is not going to come here in India. It is somewhere long, distance, somewhere in China, Wuhan. We were not even in a position to spell out or pronounce the name Wuhan, right? Wuhan. What is this Wuhan? And then, friends, at one particular point of time, and understand well, this is also very important again. What we have seen, the first, again, this particular disease was known only as a pneumonia in earlier conditions. Where it was, again, in China. It was in Wuhan, right? And this particular case, as it of, not as a corona effect or a kind of a virus effect, but as a pneumonia, it was reported to WHO, World Health Organization. My dear friends, really, we all of us needs to give a round of applause to our Prime Minister, or beloved Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, because yes, he has become a chairman of that particular WHO. Who today, as it of like, I have received that particular news, I have seen it again. So he has been nominated as a chairman of WHO. Why? That leadership speaks here. The controlled leadership, very systematically, that transformational leadership. We went on talking and discussing and hearing a number of things about the developments. But at one particular point of time, having a number of developments succeeding differently with that GDP, we got stuck. So the failures are going to come in our life, my dear friends. The hurdles and hardships which you are going to come across in your life, try to understand. This hardship will never go out of this again. Because it is a part of our life. हे आमच्या जीवनाचं अविभाज्य अंग झालेलं आहे आणि ते तुम्हाला ऍक्सेप्ट केलं पाहिजे. यू हॅव टू ऍक्सेप्ट दिस अगेन ऍज इट ऑफ लाईक वॉट एव्हर इट कम्स.